Hi! In front of me is the Realme 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation. You need to begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Auto Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that auto rotation is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same shortcut again. If you wish to, you can always just go into settings, scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Then scroll all the way down and tap on this switcher next to Auto Rotate feature to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!